Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite baby girl Amara in the building. I'm so happy because this is the first video I'm doing in 2021, and if you are new here and you are seeing my face for the first time, I'm Amara. Like I've said before, I'm a registered nurse midwife, and I'm using this channel to share a lot of things. In order to see more of my videos, you can kindly hit the subscribe button and also click the bell by the side so that you'll be notified each time I put a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I love you guys so much. So today I want us to look at a topic I called why your New Year resolution fails. Now, the you here in this topic is not about you. I'm also talking to myself because I've had tons of my resolutions that I couldn't even process. Talk more of doing that. So I'm going to talk about everything in this video, and the reason why I even want to talk about this is someone saw one of my resolutions last year. I said I'm going to be doing the dishes immediately after cooking or immediately after we finish eating. That's one of the things, and someone said it and said, New Year resolution. I have tons of resolution that I had last year, and I'm going to show you this resolution here. I have it written down somewhere here. So this resolution, I talked about take charge of your health, and I talked about that is when I created health goals with Amara, which even made me to be invited to a radio station last year. Then apart from that, I also talked about that I'm going to exercise more, that I'm going to lose weight, or that I'm going to maintain my weight. So I'm resolution. So you can listen to see if you have anything common with me and why I couldn't achieve most of these things. Even I said the third one is eat right, and lots more that I don't want to mention here. What I wrote here, I think the thing that I was able to achieve is just take charge of your health. I was able to do a lot of health goals for myself, but don't ask me of the other ones. Eat right, do this one, lose weight. Which weight? I even added more weight, more than I was in January last year. When I sat down to ask myself, this is it that is making me not to achieve what I have in mind to achieve, and that will lead us to 8 points that made me not to achieve these goals. The number one is that I found out that most of the goals that I placed for myself, they are not specific and they are not detailed. By being specific, I mean that I said I'm going to lose weight, I'm going to exercise more, but I didn't tell myself when I'm going to do this, and my work is not even helping issues, because sometimes you'll be on night duty, you may not have the time to do the exercise the time that you used to do it, or even to eat the right thing that you're supposed to eat. So I wasn't specific with this. I'm going to lose weight. How many kg? I'm going to lose weight. How? I'm going to maintain my weight. How? So it was later towards the end of the year. In fact, this past week, I started noting down specific points that I need to. So I now told myself I'm going to be walking instead of taking tricycle. That is what I take, or commercial vehicle. I'm going to walk some distance past my bus stop, go to another bus stop before I enter a vehicle. By doing that, I have already done some exercise that ordinarily I wouldn't do. Then I also told myself that I'm going to be exercising every day, and by exercise is not that I must walk. I have some cardio exercise that I do inside my house, even peripheral health exercise that I do, lower body exercises and upper body exercises that I can do at the comfort of my sitting room. I can stay there and do, and I started doing it, and I was seeing results. I started becoming light. So no matter what your New Year resolution is, check whether it is specific and what is the details that you gave to yourself. Then the number 2 point is give it time. All this resolution that I mentioned, take charge of your health, I didn't give it time. The second point is give it time. So when you are making your resolution, give it time. If you say that you want to read more books this year, then tell yourself I'm going to be reading one book per month or 2 books per month. This is what you need to tell yourself. So you give time frame to what you want to achieve. I started doing that, and it's working for me. Then the third point is You need to be positive in your resolve. Don't say I'm not going to be eating junk foods. When you say you are not going to be eating junk foods and you live in Lagos, you may not have time to prepare the adequate meals that you want to eat during the week. So what you are only left with is the same junk food. So rather, you need to be positive and tell yourself, today, instead of taking junk milks, I'm going to take carrot, I'm going to take cucumber, I'm going to take groundnuts and garden egg as my snack. Then you be specific, things that you can easily find around you, and not just say junk food. Oh, junk food, you still eat it and you see yourself eating it every day. So you need to be positive about your resolve. The next one is, you need to remember that your goals is for you. When you are making your New Year resolution goals, it is specifically for you, not for anybody. So make sure that your goals tally with your values, that your goals tally with the things that you can do, that it also tallies with your ability and the things that you can even control. Do you understand? So the final one is, I used to encourage people to write out their goals. I started doing that, and what I was doing is, every day I will write out, this is the things that I want to do today, these are the things I want to achieve today. And because I was doing it daily, I saw myself achieving more. Even in the terms of you want to save money, you can see yourself doing it every day. And once you have a daily plan, you get to achieve it more than you even planned. So guys, these are the points that I myself noticed, and I started practicing it, and I was getting more results. And if you have not clicked that subscribe button, can you please do it now? Click that subscribe button and the notification box. I'm waiting for you. If you've done that, that's good of you. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, kindly leave a comment, let me know how you see it, and also watch any of these videos of mine. Having said that, see you in our next video. Bye.